Scale mail is an extension of chainmail, which chainmail is the linking of a lot of small metal rings. Scale mail, however, is just an aesthetic version of this with dragon scales. So our scale mail, we wanted it for comfort and for costumewear, so we just knit it together with yarn. In December of 2015, I wanted to make my own scale mail parts for my own character. After I finished that project and posted it online, a couple other people were interested in it, so they contacted me, and that's kind of where the business started. For the gauntlets, we use a technique called knitting in the round. We'll start at the hand and just knit in the round all the way up to the arm, and we add scales as we go along. For the tail, we kind of knit a giant triangle, and only in the middle we knit the scales up in kind of a more narrow triangle. And at the very top, we machine sew belt loops into it. We flip the tail over, and we hand sew up the middle while stuffing it with polyfill. We make these for people who are interested in any kind of costume wear. So they'll wear it to conventions or Renaissance fairs.
I'm just getting the head on, which we don't currently offer heads on commission, but we may in the future. And now I'm a dragon.
My favorite part of this process is kind of in the beginning of the custom commissions. We have these coloring sheets that they can fill out, and we can follow these almost to a T. So it's always interesting when we're taking custom commissions that we can see what designs they're wanting.